Okay, come on, Lila, let's go.
Hello. Hello mga kapatid. Nandito po tayo kay Carlo. Punta na si Carlo kasi nag-message siya sa akin. Sabi niya kailangan ng pera pamasahe niya kasi hindi siya nasalduhan parang pondo. Pondo yung tinarabaho niya. So, ang sabi niya sa 25 po. Pero, mahal naman yung trabaho niya kaya nag-message sa akin na ang hirap ng pera para pamasahe.
Carlos's check was delayed by a week
Yeah.
because, they hold back a week. So he needs money for his transportation on the Jeep. So he messaged Lila and we're going to go talk to him. All right, so Lila, we'll go and talk to him now.
Yes, punta na tayo. Punta na tayo kay Carlo.
Why? It is so very hot again today, a little bit humid. What do you think, Lai?
Yeah,
Yeah.
very hot.
Well, we found Carlos. He's here. Oh, there's a new one here. I haven't seen him yet.
Yeah,
Lila?
that's new.
Yeah.
Bago. Hello,
Oh,
guys.
Carlo.
Hi.
Oh, my friend Carlos. Knuckles, let's just shake your friend. How have you been?
I'm doing good. But,
Doing good.
Yeah, quite short month.
Yeah, like you sent Lila a message.
Yeah.
She was able to give you.
Yeah, I'm struggling.
Yeah, she's able to give you that 200, the T-Cash. You got that, right?
Yeah, I got that.
Because she had to go to the province because her grandmother was passed.
That's
So-
what she told me.
Anyway, so we're gonna try and help them what we can because our budget is not big either.
So now, kamusta kayo lahat? Kamusta kayo? How are you, boss?
Oh, doing good,
I've heard that you've been in province.
Lila went to Pangasinan because her grandmother had passed.
Yeah, I heard that. I'm sorry.
So I hope
Condolence for you.
that 200 was able to help you get to work.
Yeah, I got it. Got it.
All right.
Yeah, she sent me in my business.
And yeah, she sent T-Cash.
Pero, kailangan pa ng pamasahe. Gano'n.
Oo, dahil araw-araw dapat meron akong 100. Oo, dapat. And then, usually, at least,
I'll just clip this on here so I'm not. There we go.
yeah, I should have at least 100 per day. Yeah,
Per day.
that's at least 100 per day.
100 per day. Oh, that's up what for transportation and
Transportation,
food.
food, a little bit of food only. Yeah, I was unable to make a credit over there, the food that I'm eating, because budget paid.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
You get a job
Yeah,
and you still, if you don't have the money,
but still,
but you still have to get back and forth to your job. It makes it really tough. You find a job, you don't get paid that day.
yeah,
You may not get paid. What? It's been 2 weeks now, going 3 weeks.
yeah, going 3 weeks just because,
But they hold back a week.
yeah,
That's what I asked you. Will they hold back that week on our last interview?
Yeah.
So
You know.
I know a lot of times. When you have a legitimate job like that, they always hold back a week. They held back a week on
yeah,
you.
that's it.
America, they always hold back a week or 2 weeks before you get your. It
Yes.
could be a month before you get your first salary, and
That's
you're like,
it.
oh,
That's it. They're gonna hold it first.
yes, it's very
Yeah.
difficult.
Yeah. So I
But you still have the job, right?
yes, I still have a job. I'm continuing
Very
it.
good, very
I'm
good.
doing fine in my job.
All right.
But I have to go to work at least every day without day off.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. No work, no pay.
Yeah.
No pay.
Well, Lila, we're gonna try to help you out a little bit.
That's a big help for me.
We don't have a large budget,
It's very fine.
so
I'm very thankful for this.
Yeah.
It's a big help. Now my trying to charge my phone over there inside.
okay.
Yeah, just
At least they're nice to you. They let you
Yes.
charge your phone in there.
Yes. They They let me. They let them touch my phone.
All right. I'm gonna let you and Lila talk a little bit. I can't.
Yeah.
Damn, you're like it's May and I gotta find some shade.
Hindi mo siya kasama nung ano?
Hindi. Kasi may tuta kami. So lang maiiwan sa kanya sa bahay.
Ah, okay.
Tapos kami lang ng kapatid ko yung pumunta doon kasi wala ding budget.
Siyang ano, siyang taong bahay.
Oo.
Hmm.
Hindi ko na sinama kasi wala ko naman yun.
Is,
Ano lang. Puro lang kami. Tapos wala na kami Manila.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Good.
ilang araw kayo doon?
Ano? Dalawang araw.
Dalawang araw lang? Tapos umuwi na kayo agad? Halos balikan lang kayo,
Kasi
no?
may parisan yung kapatid ko, so kailangan magpunta ng Paris kasi may college siya, gano'n. May mga anak siyang binubuhay.
Okay.
Bali, 200 na yung nabigay ko sa'yo, no?
Opo, nung una.
So,
At least,
pasensya ka lang, ano.
ako. Ma'am, thank you very much for this.
Kasi,
300. I hope the 300 will.
Yes, this will do. This will help a lot.
babayad pa kami ng renta. Tapos, kulang pa yung pang-renta.
Yeah, we're cool.
Hello. They helping me still until this time. I am very grateful for this and thankful for them.
We'd hate to see him lose his job and end up
Yeah.
jobless again. So,
If we homeless again, if he lose his job.
yeah, and, he's still homeless, but he still has his job, and we want him to keep it. So we're gonna help him with a little bit of money here for his transportation and food for a few more days.
Until he gets the salary.
Yeah, at least until he gets a salary, and then he can, if he's a wise man,
I can continue
like we
going
believe
on.
he might be. And they can't hear me.
Oh, yeah.
Let's redo that. All right. Well, we would like to help him that little bit. 300. At least he can get back and forth to work for a few more days. Because we don't want to see him lose his job because he can't get to work. You know, it's tough when you get a new job and you have to wait for your first salary. So when you get your first salary?
It's in the 25th. On the
The
10th.
25th.
Yeah,
That is Friday.
I think so.
Yeah, that's Friday. Saturday. So we're gonna continue to try to help him Friday. With his first salary, if he's a wise man, like we hope he is, then he can budget the money until his next salary.
Yes, I'm just
And-
keeping my fingers crossed for that.
And just if he saves his centavos, save as much as he can get off the streets, rent a place. So I know it's tough when you're homeless, you have no money, but you have to get back and forth to work, you have to eat, and you don't want to bother the lawyer saying, I need a Valley.
Valley.
They'll just fire you. They don't want to be hounded by a Valley every day.
No,
So,
Valley.
all right.
No, Valley.
Wala ko. Kailangan niyang pamasahe, pagkain, gano'n.
At least maano ko.
I hope I'm in the camera. Oh, I hope I'm not blocking Lila.
No.
She's more mocking than me.
Got a good outfit today, huh?
Oh, yeah, matching red and red.
Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Did you celebrate your birthday? No, it's just
Just
It's a saying they like to say. When I first got here in the Philippines, if I wore a red shirt, they'd always say, "Happy birthday." I'm like, it's not my birthday.
yeah,
okay.
that's the same.
So I quit wearing red for a long time because I got tired of hearing happy birthday every day, every minute of every day.
But it's a nice color for the camera, so it's okay.
Yeah.
It's colorful.
It shows up on camera better. Makes me guapo.
Resting Pogi.
Lila got me some new shades. You like that? I can't see, but it protects my eyes from the sun.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice
You
one.
should protect your eyes.
Yeah.
You're the editor. You're the cameraman.
I'm a blind editor.
You're everything.
Like everything.
You can't be blind.
I'm blind in one eye and can't see out the other. All right, you guys. Talk. Go ahead,
Kamusta,
talk with
kamusta,
Carlos.
kamusta kayo?
I'm gonna check on
Kamusta
the
yung
camera.
ano nyo ngayon? Yung mga ginalakad nyo ngayon?
No, basta lang ngayon to kasi di ba pumunta ko sa sa Pangasinan. Di ko siya kasama. Hindi kami nakakapag-upload ng
Ayaw nga,
araw-araw.
oo nga pala. Ngayon, sabihin, ngayon, kalalakad nyo lang ngayon.
Oo.
Kabababa nyo lang.
O kasi Sabado ngayon, wala akong pasok.
Oo nga pala, no?
Sorry
La-
for the
last-
shaking there. I had to move the camera out of the sun.
Last time it was Saturday also, no?
Yes.
Yeah?
No, Saturday.
Yes, I remember.
Weekends, wala akong pasok.
Yeah.
Nakakasama ko siya
It took 1 week already. Still we see meet again, ano?
Yeah. Oh, 2 weeks na.
2 weeks na ba yun?
2
Yes.
weeks? What is 2 weeks?
We haven't
2 weeks,
seen
2 weeks Saturday? 2 Saturdays already?
Yeah, 2 Saturdays.
2
Yeah.
Saturdays na pala. Oo nga pala, tama.
Kasi, nung
tama,
nakarang Sabado, si ate ibang binidyo
Yeah,
namin.
it's been 2
Okay.
weeks.
Yes. Punta ka nakita niya yung tirahan natin.
Hindi sila. Andiyan siya pala. Kabababa lang. You wanna talk to him, to her? Okay.
Yeah, the lady
Yeah.
under the bridge,
Yeah.
we did a little story on her.
Uh-huh.
And she has a nice spot, but she
But
said,
bad smell.
yeah, but American na rin. Tapos,
There, over there, downstairs.
sabi niya, baka ipasara na daw yung
Oh.
tulay.
Mm.
So, mag-isin na siya dito, kasama mo.
The barangay is so very strict in this area.
Very strict, but you know what goes on down there.
They just let it for few, I think, a few little time of
They're
staying
strict.
there.
They're strict for the homeless.
Yes.
They are.
Yes. Maybe somehow they're gonna give it consideration.
They want to keep the barangay clean.
Yeah, I understand that, but it you know, like her area down there, it's unliving, and it's even she keeps it very clean.
As what I've heard, they're going to have some relocations.
I hope
Oh.
they can. That would be good.
Very
You know,
nice.
Some relocations.
yeah, the barangay, instead of just running them off, so they're a problem in another barangay. Why don't the barangays just use
Give
some of
them
that
out.
money that they
Yeah.
and help them?
Yeah.
You know, help them. Don't just now. If there are some that help, it's just not a
Advisable.
not advisable because they have some serious issues. Some of them.
Mm-hmm.
Which I understand that. But some of the like you or they need to have some kind of a program. I wish they
Yeah.
get some kind of a program for these brown guys
Yeah, I hope so.
to help people that are in need.
Yeah, I hope so.
They do it. They always do it when it's election time. How about
Yeah,
they
yeah.
do it when it's not an election
Yeah.
time?
They must do that.
All right, back to where we were.
Yeah.
Okay.
She said she's saving money for her flight to Davao. So, I hope the barangay can,
Help her.
can help her.
Hopefully. Anyway, we might do another segment with her.
Yeah.
It depends. But right now, with Carlos, I hope that'll help you.
Yeah.
We gonna
I'm
see
taking.
if the sun is coming in. My phone is getting hot, overheat. It likes to overheat when it's in the sun. All right. And I'll take this moment to remind you, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, comment, share. It means a lot. Your support, we can help more people like Carlos. You know, he's getting a second chance, and we want him to keep that chance. So please help support our cause. If you don't like who I am or Lila, put that aside. It's not about us. It's about helping people in need.
thumbs up, subscribe, and keep supporting Kuya Kano. Bye.
Thumbnail.
Oh yeah, thumbnail. Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Right.
All right, Carlos.
Right.
Good
Thanks
luck.
anyway.
God bless.
Thank you so much.
Have
God
a-
bless you too.
Have a safe day. Thank everybody out there in TV land for watching.
Thank you everybody
Salamat, mga
for
kapatid.
watching and keep supporting them both.
We'll come back and check on him next weekend and see how he's done.
Yeah.
See you
Salamat
then.
mga kapatid.
Thank you. Salamat.
All right, my friend.
All right.
That'll do it.
Drink more water.
Yeah, we'll see you next weekend. We'll come back and check on you. Same time, same place, same station.
Hello,
Oh.
sir.
Hello.
Nakita namin siya ito sa Seymour. Doon siya namimili.
Oo nga daw. Sabi niya.
Yan po mga kapatid.
Or-
Isa na namang tao ang katulungan namin. Para magkatabaho.
All right, Layla. Let's go. See you next time. God bless. Yes. He's nice to talk to. Yeah, so we'll come back and check on him next Saturday because he's supposed to get paid on Friday. We'll see if that happened or, make sure he's doing okay. We want him to succeed.
Yes.
Yes, we want him to have a better life.
Tagumpay. Para hindi maging ano.
Hopefully he seizes this moment. Lila, there's some hungry people over here. Let's go see if they need our help.